This is awesome. This is cool. I think I made a birdhouse in first grade. This is definitely the first time I've gotten physical with tools and materials and built stuff. I was pretty hesitant, I was pretty nervous about having no skills whatsoever, but the pace of learning and the just depth of instruction, I feel like I've been able to keep up. It's very empowering. And I also feel like people have got my back. I've had a few really stressful glue-ups so far, and at first I thought the only way I'm gonna make this work if I do everything by myself, but luckily having 6 extra hands who are willing to hold stuff and help you screw things in, and it's very supportive. Right now I'm working on a project I'm calling Shrinetopia Altar Dome 2017. We had a plywood project, so the restriction was the material. We had a 5x5 piece of Baltic ply and we just make whatever we want out of it. So through multiple iterations I ended up with this funky low table that I'm calling a shrine.